Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pineapple block with no fancy rulers, no awkward cutting angles, anything like that. It's all really simple. You can make it with scrap fabrics. You can use any colours you like. I've stuck with just two colours because I had a whole bunch of these colour scraps left over and I just love how they go together. My block finishes at 12 by 12-ish, but you can make it smaller or bigger, just keep going around and around. So like I said, mine's going to be a bag, but I'm not putting the bag in this video because not everybody that does quilting makes bags and not everybody that does bags does quilting. So I'm starting off with a square that's 4.5 inches. I've got 4 smaller squares in the contrasting colour that are 2.5 inches. The rest of the squares are going to be 3.5 inches for the whole thing. On each square I've drawn a line from corner to corner. Oh, and you're going to need some 1.5 inch strips. I'm using all the same colour, but you could use all different colours of scraps that you've got. Match up your square to the corners and we're going to go and sew across that line. And then cut it off with about 1/4 inch seam allowance. I've got my pressing mat and I've got my iron already on. And press it back. Grab your next square. And then go and sew across that line. Again, cut it off, 1/4 inch seam allowance. And do the other two the same way. Once you've got it to this stage, grab some 1.5 inch scraps. I've cut mine from my fabric, but some of them were left over from a quilt I made. Place one on this side and go and sew it down with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And then get another short piece, pretty size together, and sew it to this side. So cut those off a little bit. Tidy up your edges. And then press those outwards. you ever left your iron on? Don't tell my husband, but I left it on for 4 hours the other day. Grab your next strip. You're going to sew that one to there and another one to there. And now you've got that. Trim those edges back so they match. You can square them up with a rotary cutter if you like, but I'm not that precious about things. So now you should have this. Now grab your next squares. I've got 16 of these and they're at 3.5 inches. And when I've finished, my finished block will be just over 12 inches. So for this round, they do still overlap a little bit. And just keep going around and around and do the same thing over and over until you get to either the size you want, or if you're doing the same size as me, so you've used up your 16 squares, and you've got your full 12-inch block. How fabulous is that block? I can't stop touching it and looking at it. I've made pineapple blocks before with lots of different colours, but I've never made it with 2 colours. I think I prefer just 2 colours. Right, I'm going to go and edit this video and post it. Let me know how you think I should quilt it. I'm thinking I should just go and do some green lines across this way through the white and some white lines through the green. I don't know. Or shall I do lots of strips? I don't know. You let me know. Let me know what you think when the video comes out. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay weird. I'll see you on the next one.